These are called roller bottles, and the Povidine or Povidine, no, it's Povidine or Povidone Iodine is something that's only topical, and it is a first aid astringent. But I have heard that it helps with skin tags and moles. It helps with things like yeast or mold or fungi or whatever you want to call it growing on skin. And so I've given some to some people, and they say that it gives good results, that skin tags fall off, and but they're using their fingers and they're pouring it out of a big bottle of 8 fluid ounces, which sounds like not very much, but it's a lot. If you're not drinking it or using a lot of it, you're just using a couple of, spots. Anyway, yeah, these roller bottles, would I sell them? I don't know. Who would buy them?